Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. In this video, we are going to see CSS opacity property. In the previous video, we have seen the what is link properties and also many more properties we have covered. If you haven't gone through it, you can go through our CSS tutorial playlist. Let's see what is the opacity. The opacity property specifies the what opacity or the transparency of for the element. For example, I want to apply some transparency for that element. I can use the opacity. For example, what is the thing like what value we can add it means. So from 0.0 to 1, I can add it. So the maximum like minimum means lower than the 1 I can add it. If you use the 1 means it will be full. There is no transparent. It will be there. Okay, so if you go with the 0.01, 0.1, there will be transparent will be there. So let's see to understand how it will work. Okay, so let me create one new file. Okay, so opacity.html. Okay, so now press shift plus 1, enter. Let me try to add the image file here. So to understand more about that one. Okay, so source, I'll just add one of the image called oyp.jpeg, so which is already present in my file .jpeg. Okay, so alternate, I'm just giving it as a loading. Okay, and I'll try to add the style property here. Okay, so and let me choose the image as my selector. And opacity, I'm giving it as like 0.2. Okay, 0.2 I'm giving. Let's see how it will be working. Okay, so go live. And so here you can see the transparency. So before that, let me show you that I'll remove this opacity and I'll try to show you the original image. Okay, so if you see that one, this is the original image. And when I try to add the opacity 0.2, it will add the transparency. As it increases the value of this, the transparency also will decrease. Okay, so now you can see that the transparency has decreased. If you go with a 1, exactly 1 as a value, then the transparency will be not there. The whatever the original image will be there, the same thing it will be present. Means I can add it from 0 point. Let me show you the 0.0 also whether it will work or not. Okay, sorry, I'm sorry, 1 minute. 0.0. Okay, so the image itself it is not visible. Okay, so if you add the 0.0. Okay, so if I add the 0.1, okay, so you can see it is a more transparency. So this is about the opacity property. So if you want to add any kind of let's see whether I can add the any kind of elements or not other than the image. Okay, so let me give heading. Okay, and let me add a h1 here also. Okay, so now let's see. Yes, I can add it to the elements also. So it is not only for the image itself, you can add it to the other elements also, whichever you want to make the transparency. So I hope this video is useful to understand what is the opacity. So if you understood this video, please hit on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you for watching.